Right, good morning box tree gifters. We thought we'd start off the week by introducing you to this lovely new gift that we've just arrived in our offices, and I'm desperate to tell everybody about because I think they're just absolutely fantastic. Just opening the gift here for you now. Believe it or not, people, this is a vase. Right, I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to take this sleeve off here first of all to reveal this lovely green geometric print envelope. And inside, what we have in here is a folding paper cover, which is actually designed for you to be able to reuse a water bottle, a glass, or a plastic bottle, anything you've got that's lying around the house. There are plenty of them lying around all the world over, aren't there? And this is something that transforms that, enables you to reuse it, upcycle it into a beautiful vase. So I'm going to show you how that looks now. If I pop that vase here for a second, for that cover here, I have a bottle of water here that I have prepared earlier. So I shall just pop that bottle of water there, slip this over the top, and I also have some lovely spring flowers here. It's just the right time of year for this kind of gift. I'm just going to pop those into my bottle now to show you how great this looks. Because from a distance, this cover looks like it's made of ceramic. It's a fantastic design, but it's actually made of folding paper. So here I put my flowers in. This has come, and the better thing about this, which I've got to tell everybody as well, is that these vases donate their entire profits to charity. They're made from this company called Tiny Miracles, who work in collaboration with ladies in Mumbai. And the idea is that they get these ladies to work through the business from beginning to end, and the idea being that it helps to break the poverty cycle in this area of Mumbai in India. So that just makes this product even more fabulous. You know, if you're going to be buying one of these, all of the profits from the sales of these are going towards this charity. So we have them. We haven't seen them anywhere else in the UK, so we're very excited to be bringing them here to you in our gift boxes. You can buy it. You can just pop one in a letterbox like this. You can combine them with other gifts that we have available into a lovely gift box. They're perfect for Mother's Day or anyone who appreciates flowers. Great for a new job, brighten up somebody's desk, a birthday, anything like that. We have them available in this green mix here, or we also have them available in this blue mix also, and the price is £12.50, which I just think is an absolute bargain for something as beautiful as this. So if you would like to buy one, just visit our site and take a browse.